Shubham Khade here from third year production, along with Pransh Meshra from the same batch. The vehicle that we are going to present today is BMW X6. Veresh Motorenwerk AG, popularly known as BMW, is a German car maker which produces luxury vehicles and motorcycles. The company was founded in 1916. Initially, it was a manufacturer of aircraft engines. BMW has headquarters in Munich, Germany, and it produces motor vehicles in Germany, Brazil, India, and in some other countries. Automobiles which are marketed under BMW are Mini and Rolls-Royce. Also, motorcycles are marketed under the name BMW Motorrad.
Okay, so the BMW X6 is a SUV coupe vehicle. It was firstly launched in April 2008, and currently there are two variants of BMW X6, namely the X-Drive 40i and the M50i. Its ex-showroom price is 95.98 lakhs, and the on-road cost in Mumbai is 1.15 crores. Coming on to the engine of BMW X6 M50i, it has a 4.4 liter twin power turbo V8 6-cylinder 4 valves petrol engine. It gives a maximum output power of 523 horsepower and a maximum output torque of 720 Newton meter. The mileage of this car is 10.31 kmpl. The vehicle's top speed is 250 km per hour with an acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour is 5.5 seconds.
So, moving on to the next point, transmission. So, BMW X6 has 8-speed Steptronic automatic transmission, which provides driving dynamics and safety in every situation. X6 comes with all-wheel drive across all its variants. It has electronically controlled power distribution, which counterbalances oversteer or understeer on turning according to the requirement. So the next point is suspensions. Suspensions of BMW X6 are quite good. As we all know, though, the basic use of suspension is to give comfort during driving a car, so it does not give any bumps or damps during the ride. X6 has adaptive 2-axle air suspension, which normal height of the suspension is 0 mm, which is activated during 0 to 140 km per hour. Off-road height of suspension is above 40 mm above the normal height, which is activated during 0 to 30 km per hour speed. And one of the main suspension height is dynamic height, which is below 10 mm from the normal height, which is activated during 140 to 200 km per hour, which is almost on top speed. So here we are having a video for the suspension of BMW X6. So here you see this switch. This switch is responsible for the adjusting height of the BMW suspension of the BMW X6. As you can see, this is going downward. Nowadays, every luxury car comes with air suspension. So the basic reason why they use air suspension over mechanical suspension is that load carrying capacity of air spring is better than the mechanical spring. The 2-axle air suspension, which means it has two different level valves for both the axles. These level valves are responsible for the leveling of the vehicle. So moving on to the next point, brakes. BMW has one of its kind braking system. The rotors are bigger than the usual rotors. As you can see, this blue color caliper over here, it is special designed by BMW for their cars. X6 also has anti-lock braking system, that is ABS, for better handling during emergency situations. So here we are having the video. As you can see, he is removing the tire of the car. So this circular rotor is somewhat bigger than the usual rotor, and this one is caliper. As you can see, rotor has vents for airflow. During braking, what happens? The friction pads reduces the rotor speed with the frictional force, so the rotor gets hot. To avoid any damage to the rotor and pull it down quickly, it has these air vents. So this black portion that you see over here, these are known as friction pads. These are present on both this side. He has removed friction pads of this side. So these friction pads slow down the rotor speed.
So coming on to the electrical systems installed in BMW X6 M50i, it has a dashboard having 12.3-inch wide full touchscreen display equipped with the latest BMW assistance systems like virtual personal assistant, reversing assistant, gesture controls, etc. Driving experience control system offering various driving modes like comfort and eco pro modes for better efficiency, sport mode for dynamic driving, and other modes like adaptive and auto edge mode. Some other electrical systems includes wireless charging, welcome light carpet, USB ports, MP3 players, and gaming consoles, etc. Moving on to the safety features. Some of the safety features includes 6 airbags for unwanted hazards, anti-lock braking system for preventing wheels from locking and skidding whenever brakes are applied, front and rear parking sensors, traction control, steering and lane control assistant, hill descent control, and the electronic stability program for better stability of the car.
So these are some other features of BMW X6. X6 has a fuel tank of 83 liters. It has active cruise control. It also has a pedal shifters. Uh, it has hands-free parking, which comes with a 360-degree camera. It also has big panoramic sunroof and ambient lighting inside the car. So these are the various references that we have used for the presentation. So thank you so much and have a good day.
Thank you.